Cyberchase for real.
I'm going camping. Sometimes you just have to leave the city and get back to nature. No TV, no video games. Just catch up on my reading. Ooh, just in case, I have my GPS so I don't get lost, my trusty flashlight, and my first aid kit. Be prepared. That's my motto. My book. I left my books at home. Now what am I gonna do?
So if you're outside,
It's my friend Janice, the meteorologist.
News 4 New York is tracking a fast-moving thunderstorm with high winds and lots of rain. Right now, it is on a northeast track traveling at about 30 miles per hour. Now, according to where it is on the map right now, we predict it will be over our area in the next 2 to 5 minutes.
Hello, Janice. It's Harry.
Hi, Harry. What's wrong?
I'm camping. I know, I'm in a car. I mean, I'm in a car and I'm in a storm.
Oh, if you're in a car, you're safe.
No, you don't understand. I'm really, really afraid of storms.
Oh, where are you?
In a car?
Where's the car?
I don't know, near the woods? Well, hold on. 40 degrees, 42 minutes north, 73 degrees, 50 minutes west.
Oh, I see where you are.
Stand by, 10 seconds.
Oh, Harry, I have to do a live update. Stay put. That fast-moving storm we've been tracking is moving directly over our area as predicted. Now, you should remain indoors, but if you happen to be in your car in the woods somewhere and you're really, really afraid of storms, just sit tight. The weather data shows it'll be passing over us and ending in just a couple of minutes. As a matter of fact, it might be clearing in your area right now.
Watch your favorite shows anytime on the PBS Kids video app.